Hey man, you know where you watch. Dancehall skilla. Alright my people, Dancehall skilla here again with some more things to talk to you about. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Alright, so first things first. I am going to present a video to you that's going to show when a female complained that she found something in food that she bought from Burger King to employees of a Burger King fast food establishment. Viewers and subscribers, I want you to tell me what I think about the situation shown in this video, alright? Anyways, in the video you can hear the female somewhat yelling and shouting, viewers and subscribers, alright? Please bear that in mind. Alright, here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe with me.
A Burger King price to me. A Burger King price to me. You see there. Feces, I'm sure of it.
Wow. What?
That's crazy.
That's what serious.
Right, it's pressure because you have to really look at it.
What you say?
The burger, there's a white burger, not a burger, there's a big burger. Not there to burger can jump out time. I hear somebody walking there. So it's never in my food, in my mouth, but it's around there.
My people, I don't know if I hear me here wrong, you know, but it come like me hear the female say rat feces a while ago, you know, viewers and subscribers. You see it? Did you hear she say rat feces in the video? Yeah? I tell you, if I saw you really go viewers and subscribers that bad for business. Yeah man, that bad for business, you know. And it's not the first time I see a situation that are either similar or somewhat similar to the situation shown in that video, viewers and subscribers. As I say. And in my point of view, that not stop people from buying, you know. Yeah man, in my point of view, that not stop people from buying, viewers and subscribers. You see me? But overall, be careful when you buy and about to eat food out there. You understand? It's your responsibility. Make sure that there's nothing in the food that are not supposed to be in the food before you eat the food, viewers and subscribers. You understand? Don't just go buy the food and whap it down. No. Yeah, because mistakes do happen. And you have some people who just careless when it comes down to looking after food. And are real. Anyways, let me know what you think about the situation shown in that video. Next topic. Now, the next video that I'm going to present to you, according to some comments on social media and according to some things that I saw and heard in the video, I got the understanding that the video shows a certain number of persons eating food inside of a prison or a jail that is located somewhere out there in the world. I do not know exactly where and when this video will be recorded, viewers and subscribers, and this video is a good example to let persons out there know that crime and violence do not pay. Yes, I know that there are innocent persons who have been wrongfully convicted, no, viewers and subscribers. You understand? However, I would like you to take a look at this video and tell me what you think, viewers and subscribers. Alright? Here's the video. Look, listen, and observe.
This is cell block. This is the way they need we to live. That is the white guy. This is the way they need we to live. The white guy loves Jamaica food. He told me that he cook good. He eat from flesh to bone to macaroni to flour. What a way about the name whistle. Crave me a fuck. Walk with him belly. One for the front there. A clean youth man. And take care and sell all them things about. He's a man loving food still. 10 flour them man I collect off my train them man I collect. How much flour you collect today?
About 10.
Around 10. Man in the immigrant there so. Where you hide your face. How much flour you collect today? He said catch 4. And we say catch around 15. Alright, I'm gonna get drinks. All the drinks there. Oh, few drinks that pan the bong this stuff. So everybody alright though? Alright then. Nice to talk with you. We don't have dinner, Zane? Alright then, so.
Well, my people, I guess that video shows one of those type of situations that a lot of persons out there would never want to put themselves in. Yes, And I agree with them. Because I wouldn't want to put myself in that kind of situation. Anyways, my people, next topic. Now, I want you to look at this picture right here. Yeah, take a good look at this picture right here. You see the picture right here? Yeah, tell me what you see. Right? Because I see a container with a label on it. And the label have words that said orange peel. Even the address there on the label too. The container have something or some things in it, viewers and subscribers. So, yeah, what me I say now, Zin? I really sell orange peel I sell? Because me not going to say it a selling of viewers and subscribers. I ask if I really sell orange peel I sell. So, me Jamaicans might say I really orange skin I sell. I sell orange skin I sell. You see? No, for real, my people. What going on in the world? Like, for real, what next? What next is going to be on the market? You see me I say, like, orange peel is just easy for me to get. You see me I say, me buy orange and peel it. Me have the orange peel. I don't know what going on with people, but I just say go. Maybe there's something I don't see. You know, me don't know. Maybe there's something me don't see. Tell me what you think about the picture right here. Alright, next topic. Alright, now viewers and subscribers, I want you to listen to me carefully. I want you to take monkeypox seriously. It's no joke. You see me I say? Now, I don't know if each and every one of you know what is monkeypox. You see? Well, according to Wikipedia, monkeypox is an infectious disease caused by the monkeypox virus. That's what Wikipedia says it. Now, the reason why I am talking about this monkeypox, viewers and subscribers, is because sometime within the month of May, the year 2022, I read a news article about 2 cases of this monkeypox, viewers and subscribers. I don't exactly remember where those cases were, and I don't want to give you no wrong information, viewers and subscribers. However, I read a news article that had been published on Wednesday, the 18th of May, the year 2022, that gave me the understanding that that news article said that Portuguese health authorities from within the country that is known as Portugal on Wednesday confirmed 5 cases of monkeypox in young men, making an unusual outbreak in Europe of a disease typically limited to Africa. You hear me as my people? See? Yes, so I think it is important for me to talk about this monkeypox thing. Yes, what I say? Yeah, this disease that's known as monkeypox, viewers and subscribers. Some people might want to call it a virus. So I say, but me just give you information according to this news article, right? The same news article that I'm looking at said that a health official said that they were also investigating 15 suspected cases and that all were identified this month in the area around the capital. That's within Portugal. See? Now some people might say Portugal, some people might say Portugal, but you don't know anything, if you're subscribers, you understand? The main thing is, when I try to make each and every one know so that this monkeypox thing, it's happening. See? I'm gonna like it for somehow don't break out and don't spread all over the world. So I say, so I make sure I bring some form of awareness when it comes down to this monkeypox, alright? So be very careful, be careful when you're making contact and all them things, right, about now viewers and subscribers. So I said virus and diseases and all these things just seems to be all over the world. You see me? Remember COVID-19, alright? Yeah, so be careful, alright? Practice certain things right about now, people. So I say, yeah, the same news article said that all the Portuguese cases involve men, most of them young. Authorities said they have skin lesions and were reported to be in stable condition. Authorities did not say if the men had a history of traveling to Africa or any link with recent cases in Britain or elsewhere. Viewers and subscribers, you can't say me never try to make you have an understanding about the situation. You can't say me never try to bring an awareness when it comes down to this whole thing that is known as monkeypox. You understand? So be careful. I just bring the awareness and I tell them about it, alright? Yes, I'm going to left it. Big up and respect to each and every one. Until next time, I'm in name Dancehall Skilla. Big up on yourself, you see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall skilla.
Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.